Hi guys, today we will explain how to contact Google Support. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is sign in to your Google account in which you want to contact Google Support. And then for connecting Google Support, there are two ways. The first one is we can do it in our Google account. As you can see, I am in my Google account. And now take a look on the right top. You will see your profile icon. Just click on it. After clicking on your profile icon, tap on this option, Manage your Google account. And now scroll down and you can see the option Send feedback. Just click on it. Here you can report an issue which you are facing in your Google account, and for it, click on this option, Report an issue. And now choose an option by clicking on it. After choosing an option, describe your issue and then click on this option. We may email you for more information or update, and then click on this option Next. It was the first way by which you can contact Google customer support. And the second way is open a new tab and in the search bar, search for Google Chat Support. On the first number, you will see the main website of Google Help. Just click on it. And here you can also describe your issue and can search for it. And if you scroll down, here are a few topics which you can get access to that by clicking on that specific topic. From here, select your issue. Just for example, I will select this one. And here is a written article. And if this article is not helpful, scroll down. And here you can give a feedback about this article. And it was the primary way by which you can contact Google customer support.